Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can check your screen time in depth on your iPhone. So, not just how many hours you're on your phone, but you'll be able to break it down by the apps and all of that. So, first thing that we're going to want to do is go into our settings app. Once we are inside our settings app, you're going to want to scroll down until you see screen time. It should be right over here. We can go ahead and select this. And now the first time that you select this, it actually might not show you any data. And if that's the case, then you're going to have to enable screen time and then you'll be able to start recording that data. But when you first enter into the screen time menu, it's going to give you a very general sense of your screen time. So I can see my daily average right here, but I can't see any specific apps or anything like that. So in order to see the specific apps, then we're going to want to select right here where it says see all app and website activity. When we open it up, you're going to have two different tabs here up at the top. You can either view it by the week or you can view it by the day. So by the week, it's going to give you these three main categories: other, social, and entertainment. It's also going to show you the total amount of screen time as far as your daily average goes over the course of the week. And then also if you scroll down, it will show you your most used apps by the week. Now let's say you're curious about, well, what type of apps am I using? Right now it says show categories over here. You go ahead and select this and go to show categories. Then it's going to break it down into categories rather than the individual apps. If you scroll down, it'll also show you, well, when are you actually, picking up your phone? So, when you pick up your phones, I can see that I'm going into Instagram most often here, as well as it's going to show you your daily average notifications as well. So just to kind of show you the tab here for the day, if you go into the day, well, it's going to be pretty much the same exact thing, but it's just going to show you the current day today. If you hit this little back tab over here, it'll show you yesterday. It'll show you the day before. So you can view individual days rather than viewing it as a week. And you can even view days in the past. You don't just have to view the day of today. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.